Hey guys, in this tutorial, you will learn how to create Kufi calligraphy, in other words square calligraphy. Art Kufi basically refers to geometrically rendered calligraphy works using Arabic letters as actual design elements. It is one of the oldest calligraphy form. This Kufi calligraphy was first seen in the 7th century in Kufa region in Era. Look at these beautiful artworks using Kufi style. The square calligraphy can be made using any language. It is basically very famous in Arabic. That's one of the reason I have used Kufi style to make this wonderful artwork. Look at these artwork I have created this contemporary artwork. Using Kufi style, I will explain you how quickly you can do this inside the Corel Draw. Doesn't matter any platform, or even you can use the pen or paper to create the language ones using the technique. If you would like to this artwork in detail or grab it, will Kufi calligraphy, watch all videos to my YouTube channel. So with the same idea I have done this 99 squares and put 99 names of Allah within that square. So that's it is I have created like this the entire artwork one by one to do this entire artwork. I would really appreciate if you could have a look at the artwork which is on my YouTube channel. Have a look at them. And if you could write a review, that really matters to me. That's it for now guys. I hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to more videos.